How to draw a racetrack. To begin drawing our racetrack, we're going to draw a big oval in the middle of our page. Then we are going to draw another oval inside of the one that we just drew. Looking great, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our racetracks together. Next, we are going to draw two lines in the middle of our racetrack towards the top. This will be the start and finish line. Then starting at the top of the right line we drew, we're going to draw a diagonal line going upwards. This will be for one of the flagpoles. Then we will draw another diagonal line for the other side of the flagpole, and we will draw a circle at the very top. Then at the top of the flagpole, we will draw two wavy lines going downwards for the two sides of the flag. We will connect the end of the flag with a straight line. Next, we will draw another flag, but this one will be going the opposite direction. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! I really like your drawings. Our flags are coming along great. To begin making a checkered pattern on our flags, we will draw straight lines going up and down across our flags. Then we will draw lines going across our flag long ways. For the final step of drawing our racetrack, we're going to add dashed lines going around our track. To make the dashed lines, we will draw small rectangles. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.